Good afternoon. It's an honor to be here. Thank you so much. The media, हमारे माँ बाप, thank you very much for being here in such large numbers, and all the sponsors. Well, you know, there are a few things I'm very, very excited about this IFA. There are a lot of firsts happening, you know, over here. So that really, really, you know, I'm very, very excited, but this time I'm also, मेरा dialogue था ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही excited हूँ. This IFA, I promise you, is going to rock. And of course, friends, ladies and gentlemen, there are few of the actors over here, and I'm really, really huge fan of all of them sitting over here, and I've admired, and I can see that, you know, they're ruling. They're going to rule forever and ever. There's Shahid Kapoor. There is, of course, Mr. Hrithik, whom I have always been a great fan. And I told him when I saw him, I said, "Tu ek do saal nahi, 30-40 saal tak you'll be the top star." I don't know if you remember that. And of course, Arjun has taken me by surprise. Yeah, absolutely. I never expected him. You know, seriously, I'm telling you, Arjun, whenever I meet you, whenever I interact with you, you're terrific, absolutely fantastic. The way you speak, this is just the beginning. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You're going to be huge, I promise you. And of course, Sonakshi ji. क्या dialogue is famous? झकास से ज़्यादा popular कौन सा है? खामोश. There's only one dialogue which is much more popular than झकास, and that is खामोश.
पहली बार लाइफ में इतना बड़ा मौका मिला है, and after the way Anil Chachu's hosted the last 3 minutes, he's done what we might not be able to do in 3 hours, is entertain you, excite you, encourage you, motivate you, and make you realize what potentially IFA is all about, and the coming together of colors along with Wishcraft and all the sponsors and everybody affiliated with this fantastic showcasing of our film industry. What Anil Chachu said, we are all entertainers in our own way, we try and entertain. मेरी IFA के साथ काफ़ी सारी memories है actor बनने के पहले भी थी. I'm getting a chance to host with my Baba, Ranveer Singh. इज्जत का फालूदा तो हम वैसे ही कर चुके हैं काफ़ी बार, तो इस बार कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, hopefully नाम रोशन करेंगे हिंदुस्तान का. But it's been fantastic to be able to be part of IFA on so many occasions, and I've enjoyed it every single time.
Very happy to be here. It's an honor. It's IFA time again, and we are already rocking, as you can see. My love for IFA has been expressed by me many a times. I love you, IFA. I love all the people behind the IFA, Andre, the entire team, all the people who are associated with IFA this time. Congratulations. We are going to have a ball. IFA really is about the moments. I think, you know, just like in life, you know, it's all about taking each moment and creating something magical with it. But what happens with the IFA is that, you know, I'm rocking a bit too much. I want to stand up. What happens in the IFA is that it gets automatic here. You know, you arrive at a place and the magic just begins. And I think the magic moments come from the faces of all our fans and all the people that we get to meet, you know, in such far across places. And it reminds me that, you know, it's such a wonderful world.
Very happy to be here. Very happy to be a part of IFA one more time. I think everybody has said everything that possibly can be said about IFA. I'm performing here after, I think, 4 or 5 years. I've been hosting for the last 2 years, but now we have 2 psychotic people hosting IFA, and I don't think me and Farhan can ever beat that. So I'm sure it's going to be very entertaining. And I'm really excited to see both of them do whatever it is that they're promising on the promos of colors that they're going to do, because they really need to do it. So wishing them all the best with that, and I hope that they get the world's forgiveness.
So now moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 wonderful men on stage, and I would like to call a very beautiful woman. She's been my co-star in my last film, Tevar. I've had a fantastic experience working with her, and truly one of the nicest people I've met, and a great sport when it comes to everything that she does, Sonakshi Sinha. heard that you have something very exciting this time for IFA and for the people that are going to be watching IFA and all your fans. What is it?
I think I should keep it a little bit of a surprise, but it's something that you guys will enjoy. Okay, 2 performances, I can give you that. I'm performing at IFA Rocks and on the main show day as well. So, and they're both very different performances. This time Sabas is making me do something very, actually he's helping me fulfill a dream at IFA Rocks. So thank you, Sabas. And I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, my performance on the main show day is going to be something like, you've been calling me the dub smash queen and all of that, so I thought I'll give you a little bit more of that on those lines. And anyway, women are the new heroes today, so, you know, so it's gonna be very, very heroic. I can give you that as well.
आज भी जब मैं किसी पार्टी में जाता हूँ इनके साथ या कोई भी इवेंट पे होता हूँ, मुझे लोग आके कहते हैं, your uncle is so good looking, and I tell you honestly, it makes me so proud and so happy, and it pisses the living daylights out of me also, because कोई मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं बोलता, सिर्फ इनकी तारीफ करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who's aging backwards, Anil Kapoor.
Before we go, just a quick question. Hrithik, of course, you've won an IFA award.
Yeah.
Sir, you have won an IFA award?
Yes, 2.
2, very proudly so. So, Nakshi, my Janiman, have you won an IFA award?
Yes, my debut award.
All right, that's a debut. Shahid, you're looking hotter every day. It's a time, I'm telling you. Have you won an IFA award?
Yes.
Arjun? Oh, the whole industry knows this? I thought I was special. Arjun, have you won an IFA award? Oh.
No, I've never won an IFA award.
Baba?
Baba has won an IFA award.
So you're the only, like, I obviously can't win it at this point in my life yet, but, you know, this is a space where IFA award makes everybody happy. So today, we're going to give you your own, before we go there, lots of practice happening, we're going to give you your own personal special IFA award. Ladies and gentlemen.
मलेशिया में मिलते हैं, वहाँ पे होंगे सवाल जवाब, वहाँ पे होगी मस्ती, and see you all at IFA 2015.
कि I'm a very hungry actor, तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला बोलने के लिए, तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. We love you, IFA!